Hey, how are you? In this video, I will explore the website Meet. Many people are unknown about the concept of Meet. So let's get started and know what is Google Meet. So I will firstly explore it on Google. What is Google Meet? Google Meet is real-time meetings by Google using your browser. You can share video, desktop, and presentation with your customers or your friends and students. So Google Meet is surely connect, collaborate, and celebrate from anywhere. With Google Meet, you can connect to your friends and customers anywhere from the world. So you can join it and create high quality video meetings for your groups. So to join Google Meet, you have to download it from your Play Store. So viewers, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel to support me so that I can give you more informational videos on technical topics. So let's start and now download Google Meet from your Play Store app. So here I will click on Play Store and I will write down Meet, and I can easily download Google Meet. As I already downloaded it, so I will explore it. This is the interface of Google Meet, and here you can see that you can do new meeting and you can join with the code. So what you have to do, new meeting, after clicking on new meeting, you will get the option of get meeting link to share, start an instant meeting, and you can also schedule meeting. So get a meeting link to share. You will after clicking on it, you will find a link, for example this one, and you will copy it and you will share it to your friends so that they can join you. And then what you can do, another thing is that when someone sent you any code or link, you will join with the code, and here you will click on code and then you will click join. So here are some settings you can do. Send more diagnostic information, limited data usage. You can choose these settings also. So it was all about the Google Meet. It is very interesting app if you want to share your data, your desktop, your presentation with your friends, or you are a teacher and you want to teach your students online. You can also join Google Meet to share your content with your students. So it's very easy and beautiful interface that will lead you towards joining meeting. So download it from your Play Store.